길프로 가우잡디.
Regina, Regina.
님 같은 지위시 님들이 지고노 님 같은 고위담 님들이 nin고노 따고노로 도사민도모 nin고노로 고사민도모 니소토님이 니니럼나젠나미 니소토님이
Homie, homie.
So 길프로 가우잡디. 길프로 가우잡디. Jol mumu sawajudo ane besobe.
Ani bishibi.
Oh, ane beshibi. This is hot water. Water bag in ani dimo. Machini ane be ludo. Jol mumu sawa. 상기치야.
Chi. Regina, Regina. Anlebe chilodi. Navle wadi. Anna. Navle di sep kovici.
Sipsuş dere.
Annemin güzel.
Ağzı çaldı. Yaza geldi.
Kamal hai medui bula bung chue maso Kamal hai medui bula bung chue maso
Yeah, I'm just back to my room for lunch. It's lunch break, and I don't feel like eating anything, so I have cake, leftover cake. My friend went to work, so yeah, I have cake, and also I brought this one, chips. Finger chips is one of my favorites. Yeah. Then I have this water and milk also, but like so let me have cake first. Yeah. Ooh. And have this flavor. The different flavor one. And this is my lunch today. Can you see? This dish, my friend is here with me. It's been almost like 2 weeks. She went to work. So if she finds me having this kind of lunch, I know she will. Morning, she prepared everything, my lunch, breakfast and everything. She took back lunch. And earlier, around 10 or 11 a.m., she texted me in WeChat saying like I have to take the proper meals. If she finds me having this one, I know she will say something. Still then. And once she goes back to her place, and I'm sure I will miss her. Because most of the time I'm used to like living alone. Like I can say so far I've lived alone most of the time. So my parents are nearby, but still then they come here at my place just for 1 or 2 nights, like just for few nights, and most of the time I stay alone. And like these days I'm staying nearly 2 weeks with my friend, and it's good feelings, you know. I feel happy. Maybe it depends individually. Some friends we can adjust, some I can't. Usually I'm a very introvert. I can't adjust so easily with others, I can say. But I feel very comfortable and good with my friend here. Oh. Like this too, maybe I will have this one. The shop downstairs cost in that shop it cost just 10 near than 10 for this one package. But yesterday we went to different shop and it cost around 25, you know. 25, it's too much. So it's like nearly, not nearly, it's kind of double the price. So we didn't buy from that shop, and today I managed to get from shop downstairs where I stay. To be honest, I'm very lazy, you know. I'm very lazy because if I happen to buy the raw one from town, I mean like market, then it's much cheaper. I just want to end this vlog by sharing, like my next vlog will be like it's kind of Q&A session, because many asked me how much I earned during my first YouTube payment, and also some asked me how to monetize YouTube channels and content ideas and many more. So I thought to do a separate blog. It's almost ready, so I will like share when I completely done with editing and all. Yeah, so stay tuned. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel and keep supporting.